Well, this can only mean one thing. I'm going to install Philips Hue. And hopefully I'm going to control it with this thing. Hey Google, aren't you awesome?
I was about to say that about you.
Oh yeah. You can see how rubbish my current lights look. And this one, that's not the right switch, this one flickers. Yeah, look at that. So much for 50,000 hours, it's only been there a couple of years. If you ever bought a product in the 90s or even the early 2000s, it was always packaged so poorly, but now packaging is so good. Look at this is beautiful. Little instruction manual thing and a leaflet thing and a dimmer switch thing. Yes, everything is a thing. Circle. What's in the circle? Oh, another circle. Oh, another circle. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. Also, that one doesn't come out. Christ, that's huge. These are, frankly, huge. And if you want to see what one looks like on the inside, it looks a bit like this. You've got a nice LED driver here, and you've got LED ring around the outside. If you look at the LEDs themselves, you can see that you've got multiple colours in there. That's how you get the multiple different shades of white coming out of it. This thing just kind of pops on. I suppose if you were feeling adventurous, you could also have them as some kind of odd art piece. When it comes to a theme for your tools, I recommend black and yellow. Now to put these bad boys on the ceiling. Step 1. If it's dark outside, make sure you light your area well. Step 2. Turn off the power to the lighting. Step 3. Remove the old light fitting. Step 4. Fill the holes. Then we need to remove this little plate here with 2 screws either side and connect this blue, brown and earthy wire to the blue, brown and earthy wire up there. And voila, 1 light. 2 lights. After installing your lights, connect the Hue Bridge to your network. Then go to the website and set up your bridge, which includes pressing the big button. When you've done that, install the app, which also involves pressing the big button, and updating. And now start adding your lights. Shouldn't really be that hard to search for lights since they're both in the same room and they're both on. Oh, that's annoying. Well, let's do it by adding serial numbers. Adding by serial number worked, and now I've updated the Hue Bridge, and the accessories are currently in the process of being updated. Yay, updates! And that's the app finished. Ta-da! 1 app. So, I can turn the lights off by pressing the button. And they go on. And turn them on. Now looking at this app, I can press this button here and then I can change all of the colours. So I can have it really yellow, or I can have it white, or I can have it blue. Yay! There's also a recipe section where it defaults to relax. And then there's read, that's quite bright. Concentrate, that's brighter but white. And then energize, which is slightly off-white. So you can change the overall brightness by just tapping here and dragging up and down with your fingers, and you can see you can increase the brightness and decrease the brightness. My phone is flickering, unlike these lights. Oh, and I've stuck these to the wall. These are the dimming things. So I need to add them here in the accessory setup. We have a dimmer switch. So after poking the setup button in the back of this remote, it's done some searching and it's found the switch. But now it's searching for lights again. I'm not sure why it's doing that, or if it needs to find them again, or if I can select them after pressing done or not found, but I'll let it spin for a while. The correct answer to that question was just to press done, and then all of the lights were there, and I just had to select that I wanted it to be used with the lounge lights. And then it was fine. Oh, here we go. Simply select which lights we use it with. Lounge. And now this should turn the lights off. And this should turn the lights on. Excellent. I think that's probably about it for now. There's more to explore, but you can do that on your own. Oh, okay then, here's a little bonus. Hey Google, turn off the lights.
Sure, turning 2 lights off.
Hey Google, turn on the lights.
Sure, turning 2 lights on.